So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today can be really short and easy. I'm gonna show you how to replace your shower cartridge valve. So basically the customer calling and there's no hot water, no cold water, nothing work, as you can see right here, and the handle is gonna fall off. So we're basically gonna replace that and then show you how to do it at home if something similar happens. First you have to know what type of faucet do you have. For this one we have the Moen one. So as you know, it's been a long time since it's installed, and we need to kind of spray some WD-40 on it just to make it loose. It's gonna be easy to remove. So in your case it's maybe easy. For me it was really hard to remove it, so it take us a good 20-25 minutes to fight with it and then remove it. So you go ahead, remove that. Yeah, honestly it was longer than that. So alright, so we're finally gonna get there to remove the handle and then get access to the cartridge inside. There we go, finally. So now that's the new cartridge. Just so you know guys, those are free, so you can go in any home hardware and they're gonna give that cartridge free if it's Moen or Delta. Okay, so whatever it was 25 years or 10 years ago, they always gonna give it for free because you have a lifetime warranty on it. So you go ahead, squeeze that and just pull the old cartridge out, but you make sure the water is closed. That's the beginning. So the first thing to do is shut down the water. So that's the old one, and then we're gonna put now the new cartridge. As you can see, it's more greasy, it's new anyway, so easy to install. Just make sure you adjust that, and then the flat head gonna be pointing towards the ceiling, and then the round head gonna be pointing towards the sink or the tub, whatever you wanna say it. Alright, so there's a pin come out with it. That pin gonna lock it. That's when you pull the handle out, so the cartridge doesn't come out with it. So it's good to put the pin back. Don't forget that, it's important, because if you forget, you're gonna like float your shower for a couple of minutes. So it's pretty much it guys. You just put the valve in, and then you put the centerpiece, the cover, and then you put your handle. It's pretty much it now. So it's not too hard to do. That's something you can do at home in like 15 minutes. In my case it took me, I would say an hour and a half, because I had hard time to remove the old cartridge. So, and then I have to come back the next day because my handle doesn't fit, so I had to go buy a new one to replace that handle completely. So I didn't replace the complete faucet, just the handle. So the same brand, go ahead and replace that, and then it worked properly. So it's usually good to use a impact drill. Well, if you can tighten it with your hand, that's the best thing to do because it's a plastic. But if you can use a impact drill, it would be nice too, because impact drill, when it gets to some resistance, it stops, so which is good, or it make noise, so you will know that it's there. And then you put back the new handle or the old handle, depending on what your case is. So in my case I have to go change that completely. You screw that in, and then that should be it. Well, if there's another way to do it guys, please let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys the next time. Now you can see customer gonna be happy. She's gonna enjoy the hot water, the cold water. Now I finished to install that, and check the water, pull it out. There you go. Left for hot, white for cold. and push that in. That's it. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.